Welcome back, Hampton Preparatory Algebra Scholars. Ms. Pietraboni here. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you got to spend time with friends and family. I hope you got to eat a lot of turkey and some mashed potatoes. Okay, so for this first exercise, you're finding the slope from a graph. So slope is the steepness of a line. And when we have a graph, to find slope, we simply pick 2 points and we calculate the rise over run. So in this graph, they already have the 2 points for us, and then I see I'm rising or going up 1 unit, and then I'm going over 2. Since it's rise over run, I would write 1 over 2. It's important to not forget the sign, since this is increasing, meaning the line's going up, my slope is positive. So I am done like this. An easy way to remember the different types of slope is to use slope dude. So if you haven't heard this, he looks like this. So this type of line would be positive. This would be negative, vertical would be undefined, horizontal would be a 0 slope. So now looking at number 2, would this slope be positive, negative, 0, or undefined? Yes, hopefully you would have said negative. Now to calculate the actual slope, I'm going to find my 2 points and I'm going to calculate the rise over the run. So here I'm going up 2 and over 2. So my slope would be negative 2 over 2, which is the same as negative 1. Number 3 and number 4, you're doing the exact same thing. So what I'd like you to do now is do number 3 and number 4 on your own, and then go ahead, get up and check the key. Make sure you are on the right track. If not, please ask somebody else who understands for help. Now looking at number 5, if you're familiar with slope dude, you should know that number 5, since a line looks like this, it's going to be a 0 slope. But the reason is because slope is equal to rise over run. So I look at my 2 points, well, I'm rising 0 and I'm running 1. 0 divided by 1 equals 0. So that's why it's a 0 slope. Six and 7 are very similar to 1 through 4. So please go ahead, do 6 and 7, and then get up and check the key. Number 8 is a special type of slope. Again, we can refer to our slope dude. It's not a 0 slope because 0 would be like this. It is a undefined slope. And the reason being is because slope is equal to rise over run. So here, I'm going up 2, but I'm running over 0. 0 cannot be the denominator of a fraction. It doesn't work. If you don't believe me, ask Siri. She has a funny explanation for that. But since I can't divide anything by 0, this is an undefined slope. In fact, if you did this on a calculator, I'm going to ask you to take a little trip with me. So it was 0 divided by 2. So if I put that in my calculator, it was 2 divided by 0. So 2 divided by 0. Look it says error because I can't divide by 0. However, for the 0 slope, when it was 0 divided by 1, that equals 0. Okay, so that's why these two are different. They mean different things. So in math, 0 can be your numerator, it cannot be your denominator. Okay guys, so what I really want you to do now so that you can be successful and get practice is try by yourself and do 9 through 16. When you're done with all of these, go get up and check the key. I know it's hard to come back first day after break and work hard, so thank you for trying your best. Our second common assessment is only a couple weeks away, and I know we all want to do better and improve on that. Okay? Thank you so much. I'll be back with the second part on Monday. Goodbye.